and welcome to today's tutorial reading. We will solve for the following simultaneous equations for x and y. So let's begin. What we notice, we're given equation 1 and 2. What we can do is we can substitute equation 1 into equation 2. So we can say 3 all into 2y plus 3. Then we can say 5 all into 2y plus 3 to y, which will equal to 24 plus 16y. So now, oops, don't forget the square. Then now what we can say is, we can say 3. We can simplify this binomial, and then this will be 4y squared. And then that times that multiplied by 2 will be 2 for 6, which will be plus 12y. Then the last term will be plus 9. And now let's deal with this term here. So we say minus, we'll multiply there and there. This will be minus 10y. Don't forget this here also. This y will go in there. That will be squared. Then minus 15y. Just bring this down. This will be 24 plus 16y. So it's basically substituting and then simplifying without making any mistakes. And now what we can do is multiply this here out. So this will be 12y squared plus 3 times 12 is 36y. This will be 3 multiplied by 9 will be 27 plus 27. Then we can bring down the minus 10y squared minus 15y. Then this will be 24 plus 16. Let's go to the beginning. Then now what we notice is like terms here, the like terms there and there. So now we can write this as 12 subtract 10, which is 2y squared. Then this here and then that. 36 take away 15. Will give us 5. Don't forget this here is a y, so we're gonna say 36 take away 15 plus 16. So remember, we can do this here also in the calculator. Remember, this here will now be a negative because this will go that side. So as a result, this is 0, 5. So we can say plus 5y, and don't forget the plus 27, and then this here, which is 24, we'll take this that side, it will be minus. So 27 take away 24 will actually give us 3. So let's write it down here, plus 3. This now will become 0 because we got rid of that. And now what we need to do is open up two brackets. Now what will give us the first term? We can say 2y and then y, and then now remember we take into consideration 2y. So now in order to get the 3, we'll say 3 and 1. And in order to get the middle term, we're going to say that multiplied by that, which is 2y, and then that multiplied by that, which is 3y. So in other words, we have all positives. It has to be positives in order to get the middle term. So now let's deal with this bracket here. Therefore y here will equal to minus 3 divided by 2, or for this bracket here it'll be y is equal to 1. And there you go, we have our y's. And then now what we need to do is substitute this y into equation 1 and get a value, and then substitute this y into equation 1 and then get a value for x. So in other words, I'm just going to write it here. Equation 1 was this here, so we need to substitute into that equation over there. So I'm just going to write it over here. We'll say x should equal to 2y plus 3. And then now what we need to say is for y is equal to minus 3 all over 2, we can say x will equal to 2 all into minus 3 all over 2, close the bracket, plus 3, that'll cancel, and then this will be equal to 0, because this minus 3 plus 3 will be 0. And now for the next one, we had y is equal to 1, therefore x will equal to 2 all into 1. Yes, that's correct. Plus 3, and then this term here will now be 2. That multiplied by that should be no, wait, there's something wrong here. Let's go back and look at what this term is. Yeah, I made a mistake. This should be a negative. Remember, this is a positive, so when you take it to that side, it'll have to be a negative. So this is a minus, that's a minus. Yep, let's just get rid of this here. Minus 1. As a result, minus 2 plus 3 will give us 1. So therefore, what we can say is, now we have, therefore we have 0 for the first term. Remember, we calculated 0 here for x there, and then remember we used that y, so this will be minus 3 all over 2, and alright, 3 over 2, or we can say, we remember we worked out y, which was 1 over here, and we used this y, which is minus 1, or x is 1, y is minus 1. So let's write it. x is 1, y is minus 1. So therefore those are your two answers. And then that's how you solve it simultaneously. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for more videos to help you prepare for your final exam.